Hello everybody and welcome back to Super Tech Services. This is Brian again with another quick video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean the glass and the optics underneath the glass. This really helps when you're making copies off the glass or scanning something through the top. If a lot of dust gets in there, it can really mess up the copies. This area is very sensitive, so we're going to be very careful. Oops, dropped my towel there. So what you want to do is just get some Windex or some glass cleaner, a blue rag or some kind of rag that is not going to leave any scuff marks, and a microfiber towel if you have one. You don't need it, but it'd be nice. And then you're just going to need a screwdriver. Alright, so first thing you want to do is head over to the back of the machine and remove the little mounting brackets that allow the feeder to raise up vertically. So there's 2 screws on the right side. Drop the screw there, and then 1 screw on the left side, and then the bracket will come right off. Just like so. Now we can lift the feeder up vertically. Alright, so lift it up vertically as I did right there, and we're going to remove 4 screws, 3 and then 1 on the 4 to kind of allow this plate to come off. So just go ahead and remove all 3 there. Alright, this is the 4th one, and that should loosen up this panel that so you're able to take it off. Sorry. Alright, once the panel's off, there's only 2 more screws, 1 black one on the left and 1 black one on the right. And you just need to remove both of those, and then the glass will come right off. Let me zoom in here, focus in. Alright, let's get the first one off. And when you remove this screw, there's a little like a guide plate that holds them in. They are specific to each side, so make sure you put them wherever you place them in the same direction that you took them out. Okay, now you want to make sure you find a place where the glass can go where it doesn't break. So we're going to be cleaning both sides of the glass, but first we're going to do the 3 mirrors on the optic section. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you can get a pen or a pencil if you can't reach in underneath. Just once again, this is the optic section. Be very gentle. Now the top mirror, you just want to rub. You really don't need Windex on this. You can use Windex or a glass cleaner if you want, but it's really not necessary unless you see something that's stuck on there, like some kind of gunk. And this is just a microfiber rag that's brand new out the bag, so I know it's really clean, but it picks up dust really well. Now the bottom mirror here, I'm kind of using a pen or a pencil on an eraser with an eraser really helps. Just make sure that the pen is not protruding through, or it will hit the glass. I removed the pen right here, and I just kind of twisted up the rag and allowed it to move freely on both sides. Alright, then there's 1 more on the right side here. Let me just move the camera. Now there's an erase lamp on the top. You don't want to touch this with your fingers. Now that's what I'm kind of wiping off there. That's not the mirror. That's the lamp. Now I'm actually putting the rag in with the pen just lightly, really light. Just like so, just to get that mirror in there. I want these to be really clean. You don't want to damage any parts in this section. You probably should be wearing gloves too. I should be wearing gloves, so no fingerprints get on here. Alright, you can see the glass is nice and clean. Now I did forget one part, which is the slit glass underneath the slit glass. I'll show you at the end of the video, but I should have cleaned that as well. Alright, so now we're going to put the glass on just backwards, and then I'm going to spray my rag and then clean the bottom of the glass. You can usually I do this in another place. I just wanted to show it on camera, and because I did that, I didn't want to spray directly on top, just in case any Windex went through because it's not locked down yet. So I sprayed the rag. Excuse me. Just sprayed the rag, and I'm cleaning the bottom of the glass. Then I'll flip this over. Make sure it's nice and clean. No fingerprints, no smudge marks. Okay, that looks good. Like I said, I should have did the underneath part of the slick glass on the left, but I actually forgot. All right, now that the glass is back on, we're going to put the those little brackets back in. One on the left, one on the right. There's a little tab that allows them to slide in, and then you kind of press it in with your finger, press it up, and then you're able to put the screw in. As you can see, I'm kind of pressing it up. You'll see it on the one on the right. Press up, just like so. And the glass is done. So we'll put the panel back on, and then the back brackets. Alright, just get the 4 screws on there, lock them in. Okay, let's get the back brackets back on. And you need to orient these the right way. I believe the one on the left is kind of orientated opposite of the one on the right. Yeah, that one kind of faces up, and I think the one on the left faces down. Okay, let me get this last screw in here, and we're going to do one last thing, which is clean the top of the glass, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, now that everything is sealed, you can go ahead and just spray the top of the glass. You can still see some smudge marks on the top there. The thing I'm cleaning, hold on, I'll show you in a minute. Alright, right there, that's the slick glass. You want to clean under that. When I had the glass off, that's where you want to clean underneath. You do all that and you should be good to go. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. How to clean the glass and the optics on a Konica copier. You guys know what to do. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.